Windows 11 is no longer the operating system most of us installed a few years ago. Open a fresh copy today, and artificial intelligence is everywhere, baked into the taskbar, the Start menu, the search bar, Notepad, Paint, Edge, and running as background services, whether you use any of it or not. If you've noticed your PC feeling heavier, your RAM usage higher, and your privacy feeling more compromised than ever, this video is for you. We're going to use a free open-source PowerShell script called Remove Windows AI, published openly on GitHub. It's currently one of the most thorough tools available for reducing Windows 11's AI footprint. Before we run anything, let's create a manual system restore point. The script will offer to create one automatically, but doing it manually beforehand gives you an additional safety net. Click the search bar and type Create a Restore Point. Open the System Properties window that appears. Click on Configure and turn on System Protection. Set the max usage to at least 10%, then Apply and OK. Now click Create, give it a name, and click Create again. Windows will take a snapshot of your current system state in about 30 seconds. If anything goes wrong after running the script, which is unlikely but always possible, you can roll back to this exact point from Windows recovery options. This takes 2 minutes, and I strongly recommend not skipping it. Open your browser and search for Remove Windows AI GitHub, then click on the first link. The repository is publicly available, and the code is fully visible, so you can inspect exactly what it does before running anything. Transparency is important with any script that modifies system settings, and this one has nothing to hide. On the repository page, scroll down to the How to Use section. You'll see several methods for running the script. The one I recommend is the Graphical Interface method, UI. It gives you a clear visual interface where you can see and choose exactly what gets removed, rather than running everything blindly. You'll see a PowerShell command provided on the page. Copy it. Now click the Start menu and search for PowerShell. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the permission prompt. The PowerShell window opens. Right-click inside the window to paste the command you copied, then press Enter. PowerShell will connect to GitHub, download the script, and launch it. This takes a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. Once it loads, a graphical interface window will appear, clean and straightforward. Inside, you'll see a list of options covering everything the script can address. The interface presents several categories of actions. If you're unsure about any specific option, click the question mark icon next to it for a brief explanation of exactly what that action does. Don't skip this. A few minutes of reading gives you genuine confidence in what you're applying. For most users, the default selected options cover everything relevant. There's no need to go beyond the recommended defaults unless you have a specific reason. If you need to install classic Windows apps, check these boxes. Once everything is OK for you, click Apply. The script will now begin executing. When everything is complete, the script will prompt you to restart your computer. Click Yes and allow Windows to reboot fully. Once Windows loads back up, the differences become immediately visible. The Copilot button is gone from the taskbar. It doesn't appear in the Start menu. The taskbar looks noticeably cleaner. AI in Windows 11 isn't inherently bad, and I want to be clear about that. For users who genuinely find Copilot useful, who rely on intelligent suggestions in Edge, or who are excited about where Microsoft is taking the platform, these features have real value. But for users who never use them, who care deeply about privacy, who are running older hardware, or who simply prefer a lean and predictable operating system, having the tools to remove them cleanly and reversibly is genuinely valuable. If this helped you reclaim some performance and privacy on your machine, drop a comment below with your results, especially if you noticed a difference in Task Manager after the reboot. A like helps the channel, and subscribing means you'll catch more Windows tips like this every week. Thanks for watching.